Hi, welcome to Maptive. In this tutorial, I'm just going to give you a quick overview of what you can do and find on the Data tab. Here we are on the Data tab. This is the Data tab itself. If we click on the map, we'll be out at a map instead that represents these lines of data. You can filter your data from here, import new data, export data, add a new row or location, add a new column, delete rows. This actually becomes active when I check off a box, and then it gives me the option of deleting that location. You can categorize the data, and then of course you've got account settings, help, and log out as you do everywhere else. At the bottom here, you can jump from page to page. We can see how many pages we have, how many per page we can see, how many lines per page we can see. And here you can see how many total locations you have in the data set. Of course, moving up to the top right, you can create a new map. You can do that from anywhere within the program. I can get to my other maps this way quickly. You have your undo button, and then of course your home button. And that's your Data tab overview. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Thanks for watching. Bye.